Hello friends, welcome back to Ashish classes. Today in this lecture, we will try to understand how to convert units on Casio FX991 MS SVPAM series calculator. So let's get started. As we know, unit plays a very important, crucial in designing. It is a very crucial thing in designing. For example, you have to manufacture a scale and a company wants that the scale should be of 12 inches, but on its drawing sheet unit has not been written, so it is very difficult for a manufacturing firm to understand what should be the length of that ruler scale. Is it in inches, is it in centimeter, is it in foot? The company doesn't know, so it is very crucial thing that unit conversion must be done in proper way and proper unit must be written according to the given scenario. So without wasting any time, let me show you what are those conversions which we can do on this scientific calculator. So unit conversion, as you can see by pausing the screen, there are 40 conversions which we can carry out on this scientific calculator. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I want to convert 1 inch to centimeter. 1 inch, then we go on shift, then go on CONV, the constant button upper there, you can see CONV, then press 0 1. Actually these are the codes in which the values of conversions are actually stored in it. So 1 inch is converted into centimeter. Now I want to convert calorie to joule. 1 calorie to joule. The command number is 40. One calorie is approximately 4.1858 joules of energy. Okay. Suppose if we consume 1 calorie, the energy in joules which will we consume will be this. Now we will try another thing. We will try, as you can see, where it is, atmospheric to Pascal on 25 and Pascal to Hg. First, suppose we want to convert atmospheric to mmHg. So what we will do, we will do command number 25 first and then 28. Let me show you with an example. Atmosphere to Pascal 25 command. 1 atmosphere to Pascal 25. Okay, then go equal to 1 atmospheric pressure has been converted into Pascal pressure. Okay, now we will convert this into mmHg. Go, as you can see, answer is already stored in answer. Then go shift, then go convert, then go 28. (760 mm of Hg). As you can see, it is approximately closed, and by rounding off you can see the value has been converted. So these are some example which we can do in conversion of in a unit conversion. Okay, by using the scientific calculator, and by practice you can try more, and if you face any problem you can write in this comment section. So but for whatever reason you like, if you like this video, please give a like button and comment and share and subscribe. Thank you.